Alright, Carlos, what are you doing?
Pesticides.
Some pesticide shit.
This is my freaking fuel pump. Getting my fuel pump out. 96 G2o. Looks like a fucking pesticide shit. Look what I'm doing. Twisting it and shit.
And then what happens once you get there? Some bug boy, huh? Radical pallet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna zip tie the aftermarket fuel pump with the bracket down there because this one doesn't quite fit like the OEM one does.
Shield your eyes.
Remember that connector that we put on?
Oh yeah.
The house connector.
The fucking electrical house.
Electrical house. I think most houses in America are electrical.
Why is there oil on here? What is this?
I don't know.
I guess I'm rusting inside out.
The curse of the money.
The curse of my dick.
Well,
by all means. I just have to remember which one goes to what.
There's the connectors, dude.
Show them. Oh, yeah.
They're like nice and blue, right? Oh! Oh!
Oh! Oh!
No! They fell in the tank somewhere?
Oh, the connector!
That's what I said, dude!
Ah, shit.
Alright, we'll get back to you.
So we got it out. It's our,
Try going deeper.
it's our handmade, homemade fucking bracket.
Fuck.
Steel zip ties.
I can't break them off. I just can't.
Imagine I drop it in there.
It's waterproof.
Oh, but it's not gas proof.
Sure, dude.
Come on, Dad.
Dude, you
Oh, oh. Get.
We just finished. we just finished World War III here.
Fucking gas splattered everywhere and shit.
Just trying to get this black zombie hand right there. Just trying to get this black shit back on all straight.
And it was not wanting to cooperate, so we had to force it. I mean, no abuse to the black shit, but I fingered it.
Is that racist?
Imagine it doesn't start anymore.
What?
Imagine like the fuel pump got disconnected in the process.
Shut the
Like the connections.
Shut the fuck. The house connectors?
The house connectors are just chilling on the ground. Chilling on the bottom of the
Where's the screwdriver at?
Which one? Alright, well. We're just gonna put everything back how it was.
Turn it on, hopefully.
Why are you tightening it right there?
Yeah, I have to go more forward.
You have to go more forward.
Oh.
I was like,
Arrest me, officer! Fucking dick.
oh,
You could have like cut the video and like told me. No.
no, fucking. Well, I thought you knew. This is the second time you do this.
You need to loosen it more.
Just open it up more. I was like, damn, this nigga's hella cutting circulation off of Just go. You were literally just gonna keep squeezing it until it stopped, so it was being hard. Yeah, that's good. You dropped some shit.
I know what I did, dickhead.
Are you gonna find it? Oh. What is love?
What? Well, where's the screw?
He's gonna get it right now. Yeah, I fell.
In the gas.
Fell on the gas.
It's a big crystal shit.
Carlos, it's almost gonna be 3 minutes that you fucking. And we were already done with World War III.
Shut the fuck up.
This is just the recession that shit caused. Oh, you got it. It's like, alright, you know.
Better rust up. What kind of song is it?
Stop flipping off the camera, bro.
For all our watchers, I fucking love you, I fucking love you.
I wonder what that guy looks like now.
Probably like me.
Oh, dude.
Just cut the video. This is a gay ass video.
It's gonna be part of the other video that we're still editing.
Oh, okay.
You guys brought me BK?
It's recording.
Did you found 50 bucks?
Look. I'm just kidding. I found 20 of them.
So what you bring? Garbage?
Yeah.
Wow. Wah, wah, wah.
Anyways, back to business. We're cleaning up my badass JDM fucking Dare Turbo here. The JDM Canna.
Yeah.
And everything's going pretty smoothly
So far.
so far. Anyway, I'm gonna have to rebuild this, but I don't want to work with a dirty ass turbo.
What is it?
What is what?
Your turbo.
T3, T4. Forget it. Sorry, guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's looking pretty clean.
How about we put this on my G20?
How about we don't? How's that?
Alright, dick.
I have to rebuild it now.
Who cares? I'll blow it up for you and then you can rebuild it.
No, because then you can't rebuild it if it's blown.
Damn, hella dirt.
It's not dirt, that's oil, buddy.
No, it's dirt by all means.
Yeah, that's it. What? Nah. Now you feel like a jerk, huh?
Nah,
Bring
get out of
me,
here.
bring me the valve cover. Please. The turbo's done.
Really? That's all you have to do.
What?
That's all you didn't do anything.
What do you mean? Look, it looks freaking clean.
No. I see still some dirty spots.
It's clean, dude. You're just being a dick.
But I am.
That's what you're being, buddy. Oh, dude.
Look at this mystical creature.
Holy shit. Okay.
It's dirty.
Get out of here, Jim.
Alright. Carlos,
like,
why don't you get in here?
I just cleaned the turbo and I'm gonna clean the valve cover real quick.
You already used one?
Well, yeah, I used the whole can on the turbo. And I'm probably gonna use this whole can on this. I bought this puppy brand new. Oh yeah, dude. It shouldn't be too bad. There's some parts where it was hitting the paint. Back when my car was black, because the engine mounts got fucked up. But
Dude, that's turning hell out. It's like turning 6 again.
yeah.
Like it's like a bright red.
Well, yeah. I'm telling you, I bought it brand new.
No, you didn't.
I don't think one can's gonna be enough.
It's not. It's already almost out, huh?
Yeah.
You've barely done like half.
If that, dude.
Yeah. Going out. Hey, but on camera it looks dope.
Does it?
Yeah.
No. No. I'm all out.
Okay.
Oh shit, this looks like crazy on camera. I'm probably gonna get like the actual centerpiece this time around.
You should.
So that still needs another can. But at least the turbo's clean,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. That shaft play though.
You have Shackley too.
Bitch, no I don't.
Alright guys, well, finally got my turbo rebuild kit. This is what it looks like. You got your bearings, your piston rings, fucking exhaust bolts, a new bolt for like the turbine. Yeah, everything you need to get that bitch back together. This is the upgrade version though. It says it has like a 360 thrust bearing. I think that's what this is. So yeah, I don't know. I'll compare with the other one. I still need to break the other one down a little bit more, but we'll figure out what the upgrade is, and I'll show you that guys in more detail. I was trying to shit that fits in there and take these 4 off, so I can finish taking the rest of it apart. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I need a wrench, and we're just gonna go get these bolts off at Scanana's house. This is SDK, as you may remember. But yeah.
What up, no?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get these fucking bolts off. Because I'm some rollers. Alright, so we're gonna put the turbo back together now. But I did stop by and get like the actual lube that you need to put it back together. So I'm gonna kind of giving it one last little clean. Getting rid of this nasty oil that I put. Anyways, this is the stuff. General purpose lithium grease. What you want to do, you just want to put like, you know, just like a good amount, just to get it, prevent it from having any moisture in there or anything that can give you problems down the line. So yeah, you put that in there like that. Put some in there. This thing has a ring in there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So that goes in there like this. Okay. Then what you want to do, we might as well get this guy out of the way. So we're just gonna put, you know, pretty decent amount. Not too crazy, you know. Put some here, get some in there. Alright. Just place that over there like that. It still sounds like there's okay. So you got that in there, this in there, that. Now what we want to do, get the shaft, give it a nice little clean, and again, lube it up, nice and good. So I heard. Because the light doesn't even do shit. So, hola, ¿cómo estamos?
Bien.
What you working on or what?
No,
I mean, what you doing to the turbo? That's what I mean.
I'm putting it back together.
How interesting.
So yeah, you want to put this in there. And now what you don't want to put it like all the way back. You just want to put it so that that ring goes down like that and seals up. Because otherwise it's not going to spin freely. Then what we're going to do, we're going to put it in the exhaust housing. Like so. Give it a couple tests. You might need to pull it back a little bit more. But yeah, see, it spins freely right there. The housing is flush. So now
Pay attention to what you're recording, Julian.
we're gonna get it bolted down with the brackets. So I'm just gonna clean them real quick. I forgot how this went exactly. But I'm just gonna leave it kind of loose so I can move it around. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and thread the bolts through.
Well,
Shut up.
do I cut it?
That one's yours, huh?
Do I cut it?
Yeah, no, just keep playing it.
So
I'll cut it.
yeah, okay. I don't know if I should raise it up or what. Because I'm also kind of thinking of just like putting it right here so they can see like.
No.
If anything, if you want to raise it, just. Then
Wait,
just
can you tilt it?
yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. It's gonna help.
Doing it too much.
Are you gonna fast forward this?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
How'd you accidentally stop it?
Like I just tried to move it back and then it just stopped. You can even tell him he's not in.
There's a big slide curve
No.
Wow.
everywhere.
UFC.
No, it's not UFC, it's boxing.
Oh, boxing. Sorry.
Sorry, gosh.
Okay. Then we're gonna put this gasket over. Well, we're gonna give it another clean. Shit. Just to make sure we don't have anything on there that we don't want. Okay, then this is gonna go. This is the upgrade. This is the 360-degree thrust bearing upgrade kit. So that's why it's not like. See, watch. Where's the other one? Right here. That's why it doesn't look like that. All one piece. It's in two pieces. The other part we put it in. So yeah, you want to get some more lube. Get it nice and lubed up. And you want to put it down there like that. Next thing we're going to do, I'm going to install this thing. Oh, it got dirty. And this thing goes on there only one way, so you can't fuck it up.
I'm gonna set up right now.
There we go. Sit on there flush. Now what we're gonna do is test it, make sure it still spins freely. And it does. And there's no shaft play. So then we're gonna put a little bit more lube here, just to be safe. Probably doesn't need this much here, but you know, what the hell? I have a whole shit. So then you slip this on.
Is that the wrong side?
No, it's not. Make sure it still spins freely, and it still does. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and bolt it down. There's 4 bolts that go here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
Did I put it?
Yeah. Alright, so as you can see, it spins. It's a little stiff right now because there's probably no oil in it. That's why. So now we're gonna put the compressor wheel back on. Let me give it one last little semi-clean. Get that on there like that. Remember, opposite way. Quick update, guys. I could not fucking sleep just thinking that my turbo was done wrong. So I went ahead and I took out this fucking 360 thrust bearing shit, like upgrade. I cleaned up my old one because it didn't look too bad. And then I went ahead and like rebuilt it one last time. And this time I noticed that this plate, the core set like completely, like it wouldn't, because before it would rock a little bit, but it sat flush completely. So I went ahead and rebuilt it again for like the 7th fucking time. But now look at, and that's what we want. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish bolting this up, then put the exhaust one, bolt that up, and then it should be done. Alright, so thankfully now I got it. She's back put together. I left these bolts a little loose so that I could adjust it when I put it in. But check this out. Hella man. She's ready to be dropped in. However, I do not have an engine yet. But I'll get on that here shortly. I'm just saving up. And yeah. That's how you rebuild a fucking G3 T4 turbo. So like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. I'm about to go and yeah, just that feels so good. Alrighty,